Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on BigTime, one of the most hyped up cryptos at this point of time. It got listed on COINBASE yesterday, and since then the volume is almost up to $100 million. Most of it is actually traded on OKX and MACD. We're analyzing it on BitGet. That's the chart, which is not ideal, but it's the only chart that's on TradingView right now. All right, so you can see that the prices right now, because of its volatility, the prices are a little bit different on certain exchanges, and on BitGet, for example, it also spiked up, whereas on other exchanges it did not. But yeah, we'll do a full video on this. I'll tell you briefly what it is, because I've actually known this project for 2 years or so. And it actually is an amazing project. All right, so I haven't researched it enough to know all of the tokenomics. So I cannot tell you whether I think this is a good purchase long term or not, because if there's a lot of inflation in the token supply, it's probably not good to buy right now. But I do think that this is one of the first crypto games that actually has great potential. All right, this could actually be a fun game. And that's great, all right, because I think crypto gaming can be huge. The graphics look, well, good, all right. It's a bit like Overwatchy, something like that. But yeah, it's absolutely, I do think this game has potential. Whether the token has potential on the long term, like it's at a relatively low market cap right now, but whether it has potential depends a lot on the inflation, all right. And right now it seems that 3.16% is in circulation. They probably have big venture capitals backing them. So there's probably going to be a lot of inflation, which does not make it a good buy on the long term for now. That's what I would say for now. But I'll try to make a big video later today if I have some time for that, kind of exploring that. But now let's actually. So yes, I do think this project has a lot of potential in the long term. In the short term, I'm not sure. All right, it just launched. It just got launched on Coinbase. There's a lot of hype around the project right now, and it's probably going to be a bit overhyped. All right, that's what I'm saying for now. For now, I assume that it's going to be overhyped. And a lot also depends on if it will be listed on Binance. I mean, if this is going to get a Binance listing, it can get all the way up to 50 cents. It's not what I expect for now. I don't expect 50 cents for BigTime right now. It's at the resistance around 25 cents now. It broke above 20 cents earlier. And yes, I know that doing technical analysis on a crypto that has just launched is almost impossible. But it can tell us a little bit more. All right. So what you can see, for example, is that BigTime broke above this level right here around 20 and 21 cents earlier today. And that's really its main support level. So what we're seeing right now is kind of a battle between, let's say, 20.5 cents, because that's more respected, and 25 cents. All right, that is the current range which BigTime is in. And due to the volatility and due to the hype and due to it just being listed on Coinbase, we're just going to have to wait for one of those two levels to break. All right, because if BigTime is able to break above 25 cents here, on at least a 1 hour time frame, I would say, then it will continue rallying up to 30 cents, and after that probably 35 cents. It seems to be respecting those psychological levels fairly well. So it's either waiting for that, so a breakout above 25 cents, or a breakout below 20.5 cents, which would probably mean more bearish momentum, and that it would settle around 17 or 15 cents. And yes, I know I'm just saying it could go up or down, but that's just because it's the truth. All right, it can really go up or down. I would say with the momentum we're seeing right now and with the potential of a Binance listing coming, I would say a bullish breakout is more likely. So there you have it. But those are my thoughts on BigTime, technically and fundamentally. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.